The IT Practicum students from Cypher are here at Prime Computers. They also repair all the Chromebooks. Here they come and they learn from the professionals how to repair a laptop. They enjoy it and they need this kind of information for their certification.
I'm really excited. When I get to see the professionals close up, I get to see like their day-to-day work life, and I could see like real-life examples of what I really want to do when I graduate from college.
Getting to see the next generation of kids come in, teaching them how we do stuff and kind of open them up into the IT world in general. It's really cool. It's great to have an effect. I know I would have loved to have a program like this for myself when I was going through school.
If I want to learn how to take apart PCs, game systems, anything like that, this will help. It'll help me diagnose everything that's in there and help me put it back together and make sure it works.
For me as a student, I feel like it is a very important opportunity for me that I get to experience all this that some other districts and students don't get. I'm really thankful to have this opportunity to be in this district.